so much rice. And welcome to yet another vlog. I am in Seoul in South Korea and we arrived last night. We went out for some Korean barbecue, which was super nice. It was just near the hotel and it was what I needed to fill my belly before a big day of sightseeing today. And, you sat on the ground and had like traditional food and you cooked it yourself and we were burning everything, but anyway, it was really good. Today I've got it on my phone so I can pronounce it correctly and I hope that I'm pronouncing it correctly. We're going to Bukchon Hanok Village. The Grand Palace, what we had originally planned to do, was closed or is closed on Tuesdays, so this is our second option. It's a Korean traditional village in Seoul. Blah blah blah. I guess I'll show you when I get there. So that's where we're heading to. Then we'll probably do some shopping because Korea is known for great skincare, so I need to stock up on that and yeah, just have a look around. So I'll take you all with me. The airport railroad has a cinema, skating rink and a whisper garden. What is a whisper garden? I want to know. So guys, I have made it to Bukchon Hanok. It took me 3 trains, which is like 3 different stops and like having to swap lines and stuff like that to get here, and over an hour and a half of traveling. So you would be proud of me. I did it all by myself, but I have made it and it's very cute. It's a village of small clustered traditional Korean houses, so it's really nice that they've kept the Korean culture alive. And you can also rent the hanbok, which is like a Japanese kimono type traditional dress, and you can take photos of them around the village. So here are some of the traditional houses, like the traditional roofs and the little doors. Look how pretty this one is. It's beautiful. It's like really authentic. It's good to me. So this is traditional house?
Yes.
Wow! So you used to live here when you were younger?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Kim Yeonju.
Kim Yeonju! I'm Tiera, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, show me around. So,
When I went to school, this house is this room is my room.
This is your room.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It's so little. It's cute.
Yeah. Study and sleep.
Study and sleep in here.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. I love this house. And then the living room. This one?
Yes, living room.
Living room.
This room is my parents' room.
Parents' room.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And then the kitchen in here.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Traditional grapefruit tea. So cute. I just tried some traditional tea, grapefruit tea actually, in this cute little lady's Korean home. She told me also that Koreans make tea out of every single fruit that they can, so fermented tea, which was really nice. Korean skincare, yes. Always wanted to try a Seoul face mask, so I'm getting one. Okay guys, I made it to the handbook store. There's so many to choose from.
Okay.
Here's our final options. Oops. Okay, let's go with this one. Thank you. Guys, how am I looking? Very Korean. This is the studio. Here are the mountains. And this is the traditional hanbok. So cute. So guys, I took way longer in the hanbok shop than expected. I tried on their like more modern hanbok, and then they made me try on their traditional one because they wanted me to model for their store. So that was very interesting, but anyway, I'm running a little bit late because it takes so long to get back to the hotel, so I'm gonna grab some lunch and then catch the train all the way back to our hotel, which is like, yeah, 3 trains and an hour and a half away. Fab. I'm just following my metro timetable, so I'm on line 3 at the moment, and I'm stopping to line 1. I don't know if you can read the writing that the hotel concierge gave me, but that's it.
You know, this in
It's what?
Korean poet.
That's a Korean poet?
Korean poet, and very famous word.
These ones? Wow, I didn't know that. And on all the train tracks. On all the trains. You put your luggage on here and it goes up the stairs for you, so you don't have to carry it. How cute. So guys, I have made it back to my hotel room after my 3 train rides and an hour and a half sitting down, but actually it was okay. There are like bum warmers, I don't know if that makes sense, but there are bum warmers in the trains, like on the seats to keep your bum warm while you're traveling, so that was very cool. I've never experienced that before on public transport, so go Korea on that one. And yeah, the people were so lovely. I was chatting to them. They were so interested in Australians and travel and things like that, and learning about other cultures, and their English is really good, so I was very impressed. I would love to come back and explore more of the city as well. Anyway, I'm a little bit later than expected because of my hanbok store photo try on thing, so I'm gonna put myself to bed before I head back to Dubai. I hope you enjoy my vlog. Sorry that it's just me vlogging again. I apologize for being probably quite boring, but anyway, chat to you soon. By the way, I just ordered room service, so I thought I'd quickly show you what I got. How good does that look? Beef marinated with soy and rice and some soup, and then they have like a cabbage that is I guess fermented, or like it's got like a vinaigrette on it. It's called kimchi. It's really nice, and then some, I think, bok choy and some chili, so yummy.